234 million years ago, the world changed in a way that barely sounds real. For millions of years, the planet had been locked into dry conditions, and then something triggered a shift so sudden that the geological record shows a clear dividing line. Volcanic eruptions from the Rangelia Large Igneous Province pumped massive amounts of carbon into the atmosphere. Temperatures rose, oceans acidified. Then the rain began. Not ordinary rain. Evidence from sediment cores and isotope signatures shows a long period of intense humidity that scientists now call the Carnian Pluvial episode. Rivers expanded, skate formed where none had existed. Deserts collapsed into wetlands. Entire ecosystems that depended on arid conditions broke apart. This was not a short event. It did not last a decade or a century. It persisted on the order of 1,000,000 years or more. Some regions recorded several distinct pulses of extreme wet conditions. Each pulse reshaped landscapes and pushed species to either adapt or disappear. Many dominant reptile lineages vanished. Others were pushed into new environments that forced rapid change. Out of this chaotic period came one of the most significant evolutionary shifts in the entire Triassic record. Early dinosaurs, once minor players in scattered environments, pushed into new territory opened by the sustained wet climate. Their competitors declined. Vegetation patterns changed. Food webs shifted toward species that could survive constant moisture. By the end of the Carnian Pluvial episode, the planet carried a biological structure that set the foundation for the rise of dinosaurs across the next 100 million years.